This is the best time in years to buy a new construction home. Boy, has the situation changed with builders. Going back to early 2022 and for a few years before that, many buyers couldn't buy a new construction home even if they wanted one. The builders just couldn't build the houses fast enough. They didn't, and they certainly weren't going to offer any sort of incentives or anything. And boy, the situation has changed now. The builders got caught with all sorts of inventory when the market shifted in early 2022, and you can benefit from that. What I wanted to do is I wanted to offer to mail you our new construction info pack with floor plans of some of the very best builders in Santa Rosa County and Escambia County. If you'd like to take a look at that, go ahead and fill out the form below, or if you're seeing this on social media, go ahead and click through to my website and you can fill out a form and request that package. My name is Scott Gregory, and I'm with eXp Realty, and my wife Lisa and I have helped people like you buy new construction homes here along the Emerald Coast for more than 20 years. In addition, Lisa is a former custom home builder, and she's built more than 75 homes here along the Emerald Coast, and she knows a lot about the construction process that can benefit you. So there's no cost for the package. There's no obligation. There's also no cost to working with us and helping you find a new construction home. In fact, if you'd like to have a strategy session with me or Lisa, once you get your package and look it over, just go ahead and call or text me at the number below, which is 850-677-1630. I look forward to talking to you.